So welcome to my YouTube channel. So we finally made it to San Antonio, so welcome to the channel. So here is your entryway. And here's a full-length mirror to check your outfit when you're ready to go out. This is the closet where you can put your clothes hangers and your items when you bring with you. This is the full-length mirror with the sink, hand wash, and body lotion. Then here you have a sliding door to give yourself privacy when you're taking a shower or using the bathroom. Yes. The shower looks pretty cool, and I'm not sure what the lights are for here, but it's really cool. You open this way, and that's the shower head way up there, and these are the items you can use for your body. Then close this door. Then here's a little area you can make coffee machine and coffee K-cups and coffee maker, coffee mite creamer, tea and stuff, coffee cups. So here is your bed. Here's one of the beds. Here's the other. They're both the same. And here's your night light. A nice stand, you can charge anything. Here's the lounge chair with a lamp, you can see. You have an awesome view. Let me see if I can get this open to you right. It is towards another building. And you kind of see me in there. So if you like this video, give this a thumbs up, subscribe down below, and stay tuned for another video coming out called Recap on my day 1 trip. So you have a good day, and I'll catch you later. Dab out.